big thing now is moving the anvil from that stump to that one on my own and clear it up. I'm not going to be able to pick it up, am I? Well, I know I can pick it up just about, but it's absolutely on the limit of my ability to lift something at this age in life. Years ago I reckon I'd have probably done it. 30 years ago maybe. But I'm going to try and walk it. So I'll get it in position first. Right. I know where this is going to end up. I'm either going to throw it on the floor or can't make it across this big gap and have to get some help in. But I'm going to have a go. The first thing is to remove the current clamps. That's the first one out. Second one out, and while I've been here I noticed I've got extra problems here. My original efforts to keep this anvil stationary were driven in pegs. I don't know what I'm going to do about them really. They're on all 4 feet. The question is, can I get the anvil away from those pegs? Oh, I can. Oh, here we go. Straight away, no messing. Oh, see how strong you are, boy. Flicking heavy, that is. Ooh. Right. Bit of a lift. Not a good position my back's in at the moment. On 3. 3. Oh, yes, baby. Yay! Yay! How about that? Small detail, you know. And why is that? I don't want to get this off of here again. Why is this rocking? Look at that. Why would that be? Am I strong enough? Yes. Oh, flipping hell. Whoa. There's no crap on the top of there, is there? No. Oh, that's a nightmare, that is. This is not good. I have to take a chunk off one of these corners, don't I? That is the only option. Really. That's no good. I don't really. Oh, good. So what we've got is, I reckon it's there. I need a power tool for this. Right, I've marked the feet that are needing trimming with chalk. The question is how much of this can I... Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Now, a little bit of a... Oh, there's a step there. Whoa! Didn't like that, did we? Best I'm going to do with that, isn't it? Now, what's the crack here, Jack? Somebody's probably watching this video saying to themselves, if you just did this, it'd work. Because I don't know what that might be. Oops. Nobody hurt. That's the main thing. That really isn't any better. Ha! Oh, it's the anvil, you know. How could that be? How bizarre is that? Nope, I give up. I'm going to have to ask the boss. Yo, haha.